Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video of NeuralFX Expert Advisor, how to install it on MetaTrader 4. So you can receive this type of zip folder in your email or via Telegram when you purchase the MetaTrader 4 version. So let's first unzip and extract here. So here we have files. Let's open it, and here you can see there is MT4 folder. So you can double click on it, and there is two folders, expert and indicator. Let's minimize them and let's open your MetaTrader 4. So once you open your MetaTrader 4, then you need to go to file, then go to open data folder. Okay, you have these type of folder opened, then you need to go to MT4. Double click on MT4, and now we need to open our file. So first we need to go to export. Let's open export, and let's open export here, and there you go. Just drag and drop here. Now go back here and open indicator folder. Here we have, just drop here. Okay, that's it. Now we need to close those folders and restart MT4, refresh, and then open it again. Now here you need to click on auto trading for automatic trading. Just click on it and then go to tools. There is options. Now you need to go to expert advisors, allow DLL imports, and click OK. Now you need to open a chart. Right click on and chart window, and we can use M15. Let's open another chart, BTC. The chart is loading right now. Okay, so once you open this, then you need to go to export advisor, and here you can see our new experts there. You just need to drag and drop on the chart, and here are the inputs. These inputs and details available on our PDF book, installation book. That let me show you. Okay, so first of all, there is auto trading section. So if you want to trade auto trading, then you need to make it true, or if not and want to use EA as a signal provider or a manual signals type, so you can use false. So for my case, I am going to use true, so that's why I click OK. So that's the setup for MetaTrader 4, and you can see on the right side there is a smiley face. That means in the EA is working perfectly, everything is okay. Now you need to just open your charts, just drag and drop the EA file and click OK. That's it. So that's how you can install NeuralFX Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 4. And for any guidelines and further details, you can open our PDF installation book. Here you can see all the details mentioned about risk management and our indicator inputs. All the details you need, it's all in the PDF manual book. And further, if you need our help, you can contact us via Telegram and WhatsApp. All details mentioned here. So good luck guys, have a good day, bye.